everybody, what's going on? Welcome to my YouTube channel called Learn Hunter. So today I am coming for saying something about Laravel 5.6. Yes, it's a boom news for us. Laravel 5.6 are released very soon. So now if you go to Laravel 5. Laravel site, we can see that the new release version. Just check it now. So now it's not a big matter for us because Laravel 5.5 and Laravel 5.6 are the similar, just three changes. So let's talk about three changes. Number one, it support Argon 2i. Number two, gives us new directive because Laravel 5.6 gives us two new directive which are used for form. Number three, it's remove the artisan optimized command. So first of all, Argon 2i. What is Argon 2i? We know that the Argon 2i is a password hashing function. We also know that there are three versions of Argon 2. The number one, Argon 2d. Number two, Argon 2i. Number three, Argon 2id. Argon 2d is not suitable for hashing system, and Argon 2i is the best and suitable for hashing function. So now our Laravel project are getting more secure to using Laravel 5.6 because it's use the Argon 2i hashing algorithm. So number two, it gives us a new directive. So Laravel 5.6 include two new directives on a form. The directives are totally safe or protected the CSKF attack. So let's check that. If I open it a Notepad++, 5.5, we generally use form method and action. We are using this, right? So number one, we are using CSRF field, right? Number two, we are using method field, right? You can use put, patch or delete. So now it's Laravel 5.5. Now Laravel 5.6 will give us two new directives. Just we write that method put and just write at CSRF. That's it. It's a two new directives on a form at Laravel 5.6. Number three, Laravel 5.6 are removed the artisan optimized command. We all know that the artisan command is duplicated of 5.5. Now we are using Laravel 5.6. It's totally removed it from Laravel 5.6. If you go to the Laravel website, just click documentation and see that Laravel 5.6. So it's released very soon. Just wait and stay with Laravel. I love Laravel, and I know that you also love Laravel. It's a great framework of PHP. So if you like the videos, just hit the subscribe button and stay with my channel. Just check my playlist. I hope all videos are really good for you. Just click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.